malinaw sa Supreme Court ruling, you cannot use executive privilege if ang pinag-uusapan may crime ba o wala, or if it's to cover up a crime. At this point, we're not saying there is a crime to cover up, but I will bring up that point right now. So, ma'am, of course, under your leadership and syempre, may emotions naman talaga si Senator Bongo last time, kayo po. Ako, try ko lang pigilan. Talagang bantay na bantay ako ng asawa ko na wag uminit ulo last hearing, no? Kausap ko rin ng Senate President na let's check the facts, apply the issues, wag mo nang banat ng banat kasi nga baka hindi natin nakita yung buong video. So having said that, I think lahat naman nahimasmasan, lahat naman po tayo ay nakapag-reflect. So I was reflecting on, and ma'am, pwede ba after this just to show a short video ni General Torre? Kasi ito ma'am, Republic Act number 7438